Hey, CrossFit Malibu potential 9 a.m.ers for Saturday, May 30th. Today we've got 3 rounds, not for time, Lynn style. You're going to start off with a 400-meter farmer carry. Notice the distance there, a little longer than usual. 400-meter farmer carry. You're going to come back and do max unbroken jump squats. You're going to set off in your farmer carry again. When you return, you've got max unbroken strict pull-ups. I want to say a couple things about each of those. You should find a weight that is challenging for that 400 meters. Don't let the distance scare you into picking a lighter weight than you should. On the way back for those jump squats, these are going to be tough. We're going to work on finding a pattern and a rhythm for those. If you have to break them up in any way, they're obviously not unbroken. I'll explain more what I mean by that in a little bit. And then for the pull-ups, these should also be difficult. I figure that if you can get 8 to 10 when you're fresh, that's a good place to begin. If you need to progressively scale today, I'm fine with that. What I mean by that is if you start off with strict pull-ups, and then you start round 2 and realize, oh, I can't get another 8 to 10 strict pull-ups this round, then I'm fine if you go to kipping. Similarly, if you start with kipping and then you get to round 2 or round 3 and you say, I can't get 8 or 10 kipping, then maybe it's time for a band. We'll talk a little bit more about all of that. Let's talk about the farmer carry. Okay. Each round is going to begin with a 400-meter farmer carry. I'm going to pick up my weight, and I'm going to set off on my course. All right. I just did an arduous 400 meters. Let's say that I set down my weight twice along that course. That means I got 20 points. The course in total, all 400 meters, is worth 40 points today. Each time you set your weight down, you subtract 10 points. Okay, I got back. It's time for my max unbroken jump squats. I'm going to get to the bottom of my squat and then jump up. Every time my feet are leaving the ground, I'm maintaining a rigid neutral spine, I'm hitting full depth in my squat, and I'm coming up and going straight back down. If I get to the bottom of my squat, jump up, stand, and have to reset my feet, I have not done an unbroken set of jump squats. I've just broken them up. We're not into that today. We're into unbroken. So, max unbroken. Again, we'll work on finding a rhythm for that and a pace for that in the class. After you do your max unbroken jump squats, you'll pick up your weight again and head off for another 400-meter farmer carry. Let's say I do that. Come back. Woo. That time was a little tougher than the first. My arms are feeling it a little bit more now. Now it's time for pull-ups. I don't have a pull-up bar here, so I'm going to do bent over rows. It's going to look like this. I'll deadlift my weight up. I'll hinge at the hips, maintaining a rigid neutral spine. I'm going to row left arm down, right arm down. You should find a weight that is heavy for you today for that, if you have no pull-up bar. Like I said, 1 row on each arm is equivalent to 1 pull-up. So that's round 1. You'll do the 400-meter course, the max unbroken jump squats, another 400-meter farmer carry, max unbroken strict pull-up, and then you'll do that 2 more times, that whole thing 2 more times. Remember, it's not for time. That means you can rest in between rounds. That means you can rest in between movements as well. However, it means you have to push the farmer carry. It means you have to push the jump squats. It means you have to push the pull-ups. I don't really have anything more to say. except I hope to see you at 9 a.m. tomorrow. That's all I got. Happy Friday. Look forward to seeing you on Saturday.